Hi everybody, welcome back to my craft room. I'm Tammy, this is Creative Girl Vintage. I just did a video on St. Patrick's Day decorations. If you missed that one, I'll put the link below and you can check it out. I was gathering up all my materials and I got inspired for another project. So this is a sweet little lapel pin because on St. Patrick's Day, if you don't have something green on, you get pinched. So this little girl, she'll keep you from getting pinched, that's for sure. So I thought we can put her together. I want to show you how quick and easy this came together. I started out, this is the German die cut that, this is an original vintage piece, but I didn't have very many of these, and the items I just made for my Etsy shop, I made them with these original pieces. So this was the last one I had left. So what I did was I just scanned the image and printed out a sheet of these little cute little girl heads and just simply cut one out. I printed it out on cardstock, by the way, so it has a little bit of strength to it. I grabbed a 2-inch wooden circle and had a little bit of cute little shamrock paper. What I'm going to do is just take my punch out a cute little scalloped circle, and I'm going to glue this right on the back here, or front. I guess when it's raw wood like this, you don't know what front or back is at this point, right? Okay, so we got that on there like that, and I pulled out a lapel, one of these pin backs, and I used a bigger one. I've got the smaller ones, but the bigger one I liked a little bit better. So here, I always check if I'm doing this just to make sure the pin's not broken and it's working. Okay, that's a good one. I'm going to make a line of hot glue, and I'm just going to set that right in there. Now you can use a jewelry glue if you want to. This works pretty good, especially when you're going onto paper. Really get a good hold. So there we go. Dries pretty quick. I'll just hook that back up. So there is the back of our little lapel pin. Super easy, right? So here I have, of course, my crazy green and gold vintage tinsel that I love. And I actually trimmed one side of this, like my little haircut, so it wouldn't be quite as bulky. And I'm just going to take my hot glue. Really, there's no magic here. Just cover the wood and then lay this down. The side that's trimmed, I'm laying that in the center. So the side that's still really long looks nice and fans out along the edges. Like I said, nothing fancy, just kind of smash it on there like so. Now we have our little image right here of our girl. The pin, I want to make sure her head is with the top of the pin here so it's not upside down. Hot glue. Lay that right there. See, it's already starting to look so adorable. If you feel this is a little too crazy, if you're using some of your vintage tree garland or tinsel, just chop it up a little bit. There we go. And you can sweep this stuff up for days. It's as bad as glitter, I'm afraid. Okay, cute, right? Moving right along, since I promised you this was a really quick project. I'm just going to grab a little Mod Podge, and I thought I'd just put a little bit on this, her hat, which looks like a little 4-leaf clover. Such a cute image. Love the German die cuts. I'm going to be doing some Easter stuff using them, and I'll show you some vintage things that I have from some Victorian scrapbooks I have. Okay, so she's got a little glittery head there. The reason I was inspired to make these is everyone who buys from my Etsy shop, I always put a little treat in the box. I have a lot of people that have been repeat buyers with me for decade, honestly, and they're very special to me. And so this is what's going into their little St. Patrick's boxes this year. Okay, she's cute. What I got here is this is a vintage seam binding. I love this color. It's a beautiful green. It's a good color to use for spring too. So I'm just going to make a little quick bow here. Okay. There we go. And here, let me just make that a little bit smaller. Got it kind of big. Don't want it to overwhelm. All right. Dot of glue right there. Bow right there. Okay, and then what I thought to finish this up that would be really cute was, if you saw my last project, you saw I pulled these out. These were the glass mercury beads that I found at the flea market, and they're old and they're beautiful, and they're gorgeous green. Dot of glue on there, right there on her bow. And how cute is this, you guys? Trim it up as little or as much as you want to. And you can pin this right on your sweater for St. Patrick's Day. So cute, right? Listen, that was fast and easy. I hope you enjoyed it. And happy St. Patrick's Day. I'll see you guys at the next video. Bye for now.